afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb year 2010 government pass question. Question number 43. And the question here says Nigeria spearheaded the formation of Ecowas during the regime of Dash. Nigeria spearheaded the formation of Ecowas during the regime of Dash. Now, when we talk of Ecowas, Ecowas is an abbreviation for economic community of West Africa states. So the here is community, that is CO. Then so under which leader was Ecowas formed? Now Ecowas was established on 28th wonderful date May 1975, and the person that was the head of state at that time was Gowon. So it means that Ecowas was established some years after the Nigerian Civil War, and the Nigerian Civil War eventually ended in 1970. That is 5 years. That is when Ecowas was established. So Gowon was the head of government at that time. So option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.